morning, YouTubers. How are you doing? I'll just show you what I've been up to. Right, left side's all done, and put another wrap or two on the roof, so now I appear to be 100% watertight, and so that's pretty good. So this wall was being lined up in the last week, a few days ago basically, so that's all finished. That's a window on the floor there. To give you an idea of size, it's about 1.2 meters long, that one, excuse me, and that window is going over this log wall here. So I've just sort of slotted it between two timbers at the moment, which I've fixed on the ring beam. That's pretty level, doesn't look it from here, but it actually is. So that's in, and obviously I need to finish that framing up to get that secure, with some pieces going along here. And I've got a log on the floor which is just going above the window, and that will go along here in between the two beams, in between two pillars, sorry, either side. So that's coming on. I started that a few days ago when it was raining, and I'm just going outside now. Right, so this is the entrance. So that's the entrance, this is the left side, and I've literally just finished this wall, liming it up about 10 minutes ago. So that's got a coat of lime on it, and no, it's quite interesting looking. But yeah, it's got lime on there, really warm today, so it's going off quite quick. And next thing for me to do, just got the window open there at the moment, just to let some air get in around there. Next thing for me to do, put in one or two plugs. Need to cut this off. I'll do that with a chainsaw, cut it off easily there. Sort of blend it in all around that corner there. Don't know if you can see that with the contrast at the moment. And I just need to carry on the render down the bottom to the left. But that's not a problem. I'll leave that for today because I think it might rain. So this has all been done. This should take about a week to dry, maybe less, because it's not a particularly thick coat on here. But yeah, it's got some interesting details. Goes around bits like that. Goes up the top, all around the window. There you go, give you an idea of what it looks like on your hands and knees. And just round there. Got a bit of plasterer's mesh, I'll just trim that off in a minute. And your log sticking out here. So that's done, really pleased with that. And next stage, really, for this side, just to put a window latch on there, sort the window out, finish that off, and then that'll be done. And then I've got to get cracking on this one. I think what I'm going to do is probably take the logs up to probably the bottom of the window. Might take it up to here, might even come further up, but I think just for ease factor, what I might do is just take it up to the bottom of the windowsill, the logs, and then just panel up the sides, because it's really quick and easy doing that. And I'll put a double skin of panelling on there, so there'll be 2-inch void in between, so it just give a bit of insulation on that as well. Not that there's loads of insulation on here anyway, but yeah, it's good. So that's come on, really pleased with that. I didn't think I'd get that done today. And just going outside again, let's give you a look. So I've just got to cover that up with a tarp now, staple that on the side, leave that to dry off. But half the roundhouse is done. Yeah! Excellent. Right, I'm going to have a cup of tea and think about what I'm doing next. I'll come back to you shortly. Thanks for that.